Welcome back to the Advantage app. Today I'm guiding you through your wallet. This is where you can track your transactions and everything you've done. To get to your wallet, you would have to press the My Wallet button at the bottom of the screen in the middle here. And you will see this display. Here at the top you can see how many Advantage coins you currently have. Underneath that you can see how much you've earned in the last 25 transactions and how much you've spent in the last 25 transactions. Going on, if you keep scrolling down, you can see the transaction history. So this is everything you've done, so everything you've earned, spent. So for example, you can see that I lost 5 because I sent 5 coins, then I received 2, then I received 10 maybe from videos that I watched. I can even load more if I want to see the whole timeline. So I can see I have 300 from community rewards, I have 3 from referral rewards, more community rewards, and it goes on and on and on. You can keep loading and see everything where it's up to date, and you can also check if you've got your rewards and everything.